গাইজ ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। তোমরা সবাই কেমন আছো? আশা করি ভালোই আছো। তো আজকে হলো 26শে জুলাই। আজকে ইন্ডিয়ার জন্য তো খুব মেমোরেবল ডে। কেন কি আজকে হলো সেই কার্গিল দিবস, যেটা 1999-এ ইন্ডিয়া পাকিস্তানের মধ্যে যুদ্ধটা হয়েছিল। এই যুদ্ধতে আমরা আমাদের ভারতের অনেক বীর জওয়ানদের হারিয়েছি। তাদের প্রতি আমার শ্রদ্ধা জানাই। তো তাদেরকেই সম্মানিত দিতে হবে। আজকে আমি কার্গিল ওয়ারের ব্যাপারে তোমাদের একটু বলবো। The Kargil War was also known as the Kargil conflict, was an armed conflict fought between India and Pakistan from May to July 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and elsewhere along the line of control. In India, the conflict is also referred to as Operation Vijay, which was the name of the Indian military operation to clear out the Kargil sector. The Indian Air Force role in acting jointly with the Indian ground troops during the war was aimed at flushing out regularly and irregularly troops of the Pakistan army from vacated Indian positions along the LOC. This particular operation was given the code name Operation Safed Sagar. Of the war was the infiltration of Pakistan troops disguised as Kashmiri militants into the position on the Indian side of the LOC, which served as the de facto border between the two states in Kashmir during the initial stages of the war. Pakistan blamed the fighting entirely on independent Kashmiri insurgents, but documents left behind the casualties and later statements of Pakistan Prime Minister and the Chief of Army Staff show the involvement of Pakistan paramilitary force led by General Ashraf Rashid. The Indian Army, later supported by the Indian Air Force, recaptured a majority of the position on the Indian side of the LOC. Facing international diplomatic position, Pakistan force withdraw from the remaining Indian position along the LOC. The war is the most recent example of high altitude warfare in mountain terrain and as such poses significant longitudinal problems of the combating sides. It is also the sole instance of direct conventional warfare between nuclear states. India had conducted its first successful test in 1974. Pakistan, which had been developing its nuclear capability in secret since the same time, conducted its first known test in 1998, just 2 weeks after the second series of tests by India. The War Memorial, built by the Indian Army, is located in Dras in the foothills of Tololing Hill. The memorial, located about 5 km from the city center across the Tiger Hills, commemorates the Matriyas of the Kargil War. A poem, Pushpa Ki Abhilasha, by Makhanlal Chaturvedi, a renowned 20th century neo-romantic Hindi poet, is inscribed on the gateway of the memorial greets visitors. The name of the soldier who lost their lives in the war are inscribed on the memorial wall and can be read by the visitors. A museum attached to the Kargil War Memorial was established to celebrate the victory of Operation Vijay. Houses pictures of Indian soldiers, archives of the important war documents and recording, Pakistan war equipments and gear, and official emblems of the army from the Kargil War. A giant national flag weighing 15 kg was hosted at the Kargil War Memorial to commemorate the 13th anniversary of Indian victories in the war. I would like to end my speech by saying a name of a hero, Captain Vikram Batra, who had fought the war very bravely and had write a very emotional letter to his father and mother by saying that he will return home either alive or dead, but he will return home with the national flag. So I hope you would like the speech and I will present a song to you. The song is National Anthem. সঙ্গে আবার দেখা হবে আমার নেক্সট ভিডিওতে। ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকলে লাইক শেয়ার আর সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে। জয় হিন্দ, জয় ভারত।